contact. So Tools4Patient is dedicated to the improvement of the conduct of clinical research, clinical trial, by taking something very special, which is the personality of a patient. So we use patient personality to predict behavior when patients are participating in clinical trials. This idea came a few years ago when we were with a few colleagues and facing challenges of clinical development, and one of those challenges was the placebo response. So we collect information about the personality of a patient and we analyze this thanks to machine learning. The placebo effect is a real problem because of you may have to repeat a trial, you may have failure in a trial, you may select the wrong compound. So if you are able to remove some of that noise that interferes with your data analysis, you will be able to save time and money. The objective of Placebo is to provide to each individual patient participating in a clinical trial a placebo score. And that information is taken into account at the end when conducting the statistical analysis. So in reality, we have Placebo, but we have a portfolio of predictive tools that will help clinical pharmaceutical company as well as biotech to conduct on a more efficient way their clinical studies, in addition to analyzing also more efficiently the data. So our objective with 𝗚𝗹𝘅𝘁, which is our product dedicated to COVID crisis characterization, is to capture this anxiety, for example, and how it may reflect and influence patient response to treatment. And again, this is to help with the data interpretation. To really boost our commercialization and the open of our US subsidiary, we are now raising our Series C, which should be the last one, and we target the autumn, September, October period.
We decided to invest in that project with Innovation Fund because we've been seduced by the management and the product. For example, Placebo is a unique product which can be seen as an innovative product regarding the pharmaceutical companies' issue. And we really believe that this project could be a success, and that's the reason why we invest in this project.
The technology, like Elena explained, is fantastic and the potential is huge. And the second point I want to insist upon is the quality of the team. The founders had a brilliant idea and they have been able to develop it and to bring it now to the market.